To meet the needs of the growing solar market, you need a machine that can tackle tough ground conditions and install longer piles. The Vermeer PD25R pile driver takes installation to the next level. This flexible and intelligent machine comes with attachments to address challenging job site conditions. Automation features help to optimize training for your crew and provide more consistency throughout the install. The PD25R is equipped with Auto Plumb, Auto Home, Auto Target, and an optional laser receiver. Move from point to point and from row to row via optional automation. The PD25R comes ready to accept Trimble or Carlson GPS. This helps to ensure repeatability and consistent cycle times. When you need the ability to quickly move from job site to job site, the PD25R features ease of transport and simplified teardown with the telescoping and rotating upper platform. In addition to driving and extracting piles up to 25 feet, the PD25R has a 10-inch pile reveal capability to install piles for inverters or battery storage. There's no need to cut off a pile or use a custom-made device to do it. Have confidence that you can complete the toughest jobs. Power up the productivity with a hammer downforce that's backed with a 74 horsepower engine that enables you to work in a variety of ground conditions. Safety is always top of mind when working on solar installations. The PD25R features an automatic stop and tracking speed control based on hammer height and tilt out of range to help keep the machine in a stable state. Bump bars for point-to-point and row-to-row options stop the machine if it makes contact with an obstacle. A compact footprint with rubber tracks provides flexibility to move row to row while creating minimal ground disturbance in any weather. The compact size also offers flexibility for transporting your machine from job site to job site. Not every solar job site offers the ideal terrain. The PD25R's 12-inch ground clearance is higher than prior models and maintains stability. Standard hammer and optional rotary attachments match varying ground conditions and job requirements. Quickly adapting to job site demands can boost your productivity. The ability to change out from the standard hammer to the rotary attachment in the field can save time so you can install more piles in a day. Get ahead of the game and gain uptime with on-rig technology that places diagnostic and troubleshooting information at the operator's fingertips. As solar sites continue to be constructed on more challenging terrain with longer pile lengths, you now have the ability to drive piles up to 25 feet. The Vermeer PD25R pile driver meets these evolving demands with the power, flexibility, technology, and maneuverability to help you drive more piles per day. Visit Vermeer.com or contact your local dealer to learn more.